I guess the blockchain was just purchased by a bank. June 11, 2026, a company called Digital Asset raised $355 million. And the round was led by A16Z, and it now values the company around $2 billion. This sounds like normal crypto news to the average investor. It's not. You need to listen about who wrote the actual checks for this to happen. I'm gonna try to read this list slowly, okay? So we have Goldman Sachs, all right? BNY Mellon, BNP, HSBC, Citadel Securities, the NASDAQ and S&P Global, CME, and the DTCC, the company that settles every stock trade in America. We even have connections from Abu Dhabi's Sovereign Wealth Fund. These are the people that currently run the financial system, and they just took ownership of the blockchain company itself. Digital Asset builds something we call the Canton Network, and it didn't come from some anonymous crypto basement. It started out of Chicago, a trading firm called the DRW, about 12 years ago. This was born inside Wall Street, and it gets even crazier. The Canton already has trillions of dollars of real assets currently running on it right now on a blockchain. We're talking about bonds, money, market funds, and short-term loans that banks live on. Nearly 400 institutions are already on the network. We're talking about a private blockchain ran by the banking elite. Wall Street is not scared of crypto. They're building their own crypto and buying the blockchains. They're funding the company that owns the rail itself. They didn't adopt the technology. They own it. $2 billion in evaluations, trillions already settling on that blockchain. The same names that called Bitcoin a scam are sitting at the cap table and buying the cap table, and they already moved in while everybody was staring at coin prices. Real money was never about the coins. It was about owning the pipelines that everything has to flow through. I want you to think about a neighborhood. Once they start building the roads, what happens after? All of the apartment complexes start getting built. All of the houses started getting built. Publix gets built. Walmart, you get the point. Crypto, the pipelines are being built, and everything